No, on.
Say on.
Out. Jade, out. Oh,
No,
right.
you have to do the syllabus. What does R make?
Roar. Yeah.
What is A?
Apple. Okay, okay, do it now.
You're a naughty.
Oh yeah, alligator. Good job.
Okay, do this.
What?
What?
Gilana, if you don't finish your homework.
What does the R say? What does R say? What does R do?
Oh, I got our Gatorade.
That tell you what. That way. That.
Oh, good job. Yes, yes. S.
No, it's SH. It's like
Oh, she. Okay, okay. Oh yeah, that's another one. Yeah.
TH. The.
What's that, Gilana?
Thunder.
Oh yeah, that's a thunder.
This one.
Gilana, I'm not doing the video if you're crying. Oh look, there's still smoke at Grandma's garden. Jade, you know hot dog. Finish your sister.
Too long this one.
Dad, can you help Gilana, Dad?
Say it.
She's having a... No, that is not nice anyway.
What's this? It looks cool. I'm scared.
Gilana, come on now.
Mama's. Okay, this one.
I'm going to Juno tomorrow.
And she ain't buying you anything.
No.
No toys, no nothing.
Okay, no chocolate. Okay.
First, tell me what this word is. Oh, my head hurts now.
D. Gilana, can you do the... Oh, what is that?
I'll do it. Oh, Jelani, you want to do it?
The timer.
Yes.
Oh, you have to do this one too, Gilana. Oh, Gilana, these are the flowers. Can you do that?
Not this.
Yes.
Yes, yeah. And then you can do that one. Where is that gonna go? Gilana knows that. Yeah,
How
do the...
many ants?
How many ants? How many can you count the ants? Jade, don't do it. How many ants, Jade?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, right, 4. Can you X those ants then? X.
I put it here.
Yeah, here, can you X the ants? X. If you see the ants, can you X it? 1. Yeah, there you go. Oh, wow. Okay, how many? What else? Ladybug.
No, yeah,
1,
2.
2, 3.
Oh, good job. Did you see a ladybug here on the drawing?
Yes.
Okay, there you go. Can you see ant there too?
1.
Oh, how many?
It's too big.
exactly.